Organic Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Baseball 1-box eBay break. December 11th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got CHA-Cart with the Rockies and Brewers. Netting World with the Royals. COLISLOT-0 with the Phillies and Mariners. JTR 1384 with the Astros and Rangers. Battleship 706 with the Nationals. REX 102 468 with the Padres and Rays. Kevin MELCHISEDECH with the Marlins, Pirates, and Giants. CRZY Hopper with the Angels and Dodgers. Clerk X 65 with the Cubs, Reds, and Twins. GULSR_US with the Blue Jays. Rojo 548326 with the Cardinals and Orioles. Mr. Davey 25 with the Mets and Yankees. Mako 34 with the Athletics. Robo Baba, hopefully I said that right, with the Tigers. SDUD0574.OSPMNDTQ with the Indians. SCCON_1233 with the White Sox. Boston-John with the Red Sox. LGS_auctions with the Braves. And DEN-DEC-5 with the Diamondbacks. That is your full lineup. Okay. We got your box here. 2021 Gold Rush Trifecta Baseball. We got 3 autographed memorabilia pieces in the box here. We got an autographed baseball, an autographed jersey, and an autographed 16x20 photo. So 3 beautiful pieces coming out of here. Bear with me here while I get the box open. Pretty large box. Alright, here we go. Packing material. We've got our autographed baseball. Put that right there. We've got our autographed jersey. There as well. And bear with me while I get our photo out of here. Okay, and there is our empty box and our autograph photo. Okay. Position these here. Alright, there we go. Okay, up first, let's do the baseball. Autograph baseball, here we go. Beckett COA there. Beckett COA, and there is your auto. Yep. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. That is Mr. Fernando Tatis Jr. Beautiful auto. Beauty. Padres. Padres owned by Rex 102468. Congrats. Beautiful Fernando Tatis. Autograph baseball. Beauty. Congrats. Beautiful. Alright. And now we've got our jersey here. There is your auto right there. We've got a JSA certification. And that is Mr. Albies. Mr. Albies. Mr. Ozzy Albies. The Braves. Owned by LGS_auctions. Congrats. Beautiful Ozzy Albies autograph jersey. Very nice. Beautiful. Alright, so Braves and Padres so far. And we still got our autographed 16x20 photo. Here we go. Alright, autographed 16x20 photo. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Coming right at you. Front and center. And there it is. Astros. Beckett COA. There's your auto. I believe that's Kyle Tucker. I believe that's Mr. Kyle Tucker there. So the Astros. That's a beautiful looking photo. Them 16 by 20 photos are just beautiful. Yeah, that's Kyle Tucker, yep. Astros owned by JTR 1384. Congrats. Beautiful Kyle Tucker autograph 16 by 20 photo. Beauty. Beautiful. Okay, so we had your Kyle Tucker for the Astros autograph photo. We had your Fernando Tatis autograph baseball here. And we had your Ozzie Albies autograph jersey for the Braves. 3 beautiful autograph memorabilia pieces there, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Don't forget, beautiful lineup tomorrow night and all week coming up, so please don't miss out on those. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. Please, be smart. Be safe out there.